Hey everyone, the Honor MagicPad 3 is a bold new entrant into the high-end tablet space, designed to compete at the premium level with a strong emphasis on performance, media consumption, and productivity. Announced and released on July 2, 2025, the MagicPad 3 boasts cutting-edge specifications and a sleek, modern design that positions it as a top-tier Android tablet. The centerpiece of the MagicPad 3 is its expansive 13.3-inch IPS display, which delivers a sharp 3.2K resolution and supports a refresh rate of 165 Hz. This results in incredibly smooth visuals, ideal for both high-speed gaming and fluid content scrolling. The display supports HDR Vivid with a peak brightness of 1000 nits. Stylus support is integrated, allowing the MagicPad 3 to double as a digital canvas for drawing, note-taking, or precision input, which is particularly useful for creatives and professionals alike. Under the hood, the tablet is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Combined with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and storage options, reaching up to 1 terabyte, the MagicPad 3 offers enough performance and space for multitasking, gaming, and large file storage. Media performance is a highlight of this tablet, thanks to Honor's long-standing partnership with IMAX. The MagicPad 3 carries the IMAX Enhanced label, emphasizing its immersive audiovisual experience. On the camera front, the MagicPad 3 includes a modest dual rear setup featuring a 13 megapixels main sensor and a 2 megapixels macro camera. The 9 megapixels front camera supports up to 4K video capture, which is more than sufficient for video conferencing or streaming. The battery life on the MagicPad 3 is impressive. A sizable 12,450 mAh silicon carbon battery powers the device, capable of keeping the screen alive through long sessions of work or entertainment. It supports 66-watt fast charging. Design-wise, the tablet is thin and premium, measuring just 5.8 millimeters in thickness and weighing 595 grams. This makes it impressively portable for its size. Available in gray, white, and gold color options, the MagicPad 3 looks as elegant as it is functional. With no cellular connectivity or GPS, this tablet is clearly targeted more at productivity and entertainment in Wi-Fi environments rather than mobile use. That said, its feature set, especially its display, stylus support, performance, and audio capabilities, make it a compelling choice for anyone in need of a large, powerful Android tablet for work or play. Overall, the Honor MagicPad 3 delivers an excellent blend of performance, display quality, and versatility, appealing to power users, creatives, and media lovers alike, all at a surprisingly competitive price of around 360 euros. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.